I think the residents of Euclid are going to be thrilled with this new facility. They're going to be so excited about not only the services and the amenities that they've provided, but it's a beautiful space. You know, the finishes, the thoughtfulness of the connection to the water and the colors.
I hope they notice the blue paint. I hope they notice the beautiful lily pads in the ceiling and just feel like they're on the shores of Lake Erie.
I love that when you walk in, you can immediately see all that bright light and those acrylic panels that hang in the skylight area. Just brings nature back to a place where you can just really relax and read about the magical places where you can go with books.
The Euclid community should be proud of it. They're the ones that made it happen. At the end of the day, this is their building.
Everything was so thoughtfully done and fits in with our overall vision and image of the city.
In 2020, we were able to really start to assess some of the building systems. There needed to be some major repairs. So in 2021, we contracted with ROC Contracting, who was our owner's rep, to really identify what our residents were imagining for Euclid Public Library.
The library was getting tired. The children's section was a hodgepodge. There wasn't enough room for teen activities in that. There's more demand than there was space.
The library reached out to the community through a survey. They were interested in knowing what they wanted. Based on the survey results, we took that information, worked with the design team to give the residents of Euclid what they wanted in this building.
As a construction company, what we want to do is really implement the process and implement the wants and the needs and the desire. Making sure that our vision aligns with what the design team's vision is and what Euclid Library's vision is.
Fun things started happening. Paint started being applied to walls. Carpet started going down. Furniture started arriving at the library.
This is a labor of love, both from our side at Bialowski and the whole design team, the contractor, and the library, as far as providing to the community what it is that we heard them ask for, and we hope it's a resounding success.
When a community invests in a library, it truly says that they value knowledge, they value access, and most importantly, that they value themselves as people, as residents of this community.
The library has always been a really wonderful place for the community to come to gather together, to connect with one another, to really be inspired. I was so excited when the library went through the process to do a renovation and really think about its place for the future.
We are happy to welcome all of our residents back into the library. Please check out a book, movie, or music. Participate in one of our programs. Utilize our new quiet reading rooms or one of our meeting rooms. Get a passport or a passport photo. But most importantly, make sure you get your new Euclid Public Library card.